Hello guys, welcome back to Excel Argo Trader. As you can see here, today's date is 5th August and time is 19:56. It means almost 7:56. It is 7:56. Okay, as you can see here, this is our dashboard. And if you want any trade, Argo trade means you have to on here and just put the today's date. You have to do this as a manually and make sure that your expiry dates and weekly contract should be perfect. Okay, now let's go for our breakout strategy. Today on 1st August itself, I have mentioned you that the market will fall, as I predicted in a breakout strategy that I have mentioned you that market will definitely fall. Yes guys, today market falls, and you can see here our Nifty index and Bank Nifty index. Okay, I have everything, I have made it ready food for you here, just to show you how our target 1, target 2 work today. Nifty index, actually sell was generated in our Nifty index today. Just we'll compare on the sell positions today. Sell was generated by at the rate of 24,248. Yes, let's see, 24,248. Here is a 24,248 and market fall up to this much. This was our target 1 and this was our target 2. Yeah, just let's see till where our market fall. Yes, our market went down up to, you can see here, 353 points. You can see here guys, 353 points from our sell level to here. It is 353 points market fall down. Yes, you can see this is a Nifty index. Now next, let's go for Nifty August future. This is Nifty August future. Sell was generated. You can see here sell is active. You can see here sell is active, and Nifty future is 24 to 90. Yes guys, you can see here it's everything is ready. Yes, here our sell was generated to somewhere here our sell was generated, and our Nifty futures also here. Let's mark from here to here, almost 370 points. You can see here guys, 370 points the market have fall down today. Okay, now let's go for Nifty September future. Okay, Nifty September, let's see what our breakout strategy is telling. Nifty September, sell is activated, so the market sell level is 24,443. It is 24,433. okay, 24,433. Here the sell was generated in Nifty September futures, and market fell down up to here, this market. Yes guys, let's mark, and market fell down up to 376 points from our sell level, from our here where our sell level is generated, and market fell down up to 376 points. Okay, that's good, no? You would have made a huge profit if you have followed a breakout strategy today. Let's see. Yes, see for 24,750 only. Today actually buy was generated. Yes, 512. Here buy was generated in the time at the rate of 512 exactly here. Yes guys, this where our buy was generated in Nifty August put option. In put, here our buy was generated and market went up to yes guys, here you can see market went up to 370 points up. You can see here 370 points up, and here what our buy level was generated, and this was our target 1 buying level, buy target, and this was our buy target 2. You can see here I have mentioned the green line where our buy target was generated here as a buy. Here was a buy, this was a buy level target 1, and this was buy level target 2. Okay, I think it's clear for you guys. And let's go for Nifty August future. Strike price is 24,800. here strike price is 24,800. Buy was generated here, and 558 was buy generated. 558. Yes, you guys can see here. Here where our here buy was generated, and this was our buy target 1, and this was our buy target 2 of Nifty August put option, August put option, and strike price is 24,800. Guys, clearly I'm mentioning you here as Nifty. This was a buy target 1, and this is a buy target 2. Okay, and this was a buy target 2. Okay, fine. Now let's go for Bank Nifty. Let's go for Bank Nifty now, guys. Bank Nifty, let's show the chart now. Let's see what our breakout strategy is telling. Let's go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, actually sell was generated. I said you that market have fall down dramatically. That sell was generated here, and it is 50,507. Let have everything have marked it, guys, to make it a little faster. Simply not to take a time for you, because time is very precious. Let's not waste the time here. I'll just show you a very quick here. Yes, here was our sell was generated in Bank Nifty index. This is actually index mentioned. You have, this is a Bank Nifty index. Okay, sell was 50. Actually this was a buy level, and this is a sell level. Sell is activated here today, so it is 5378. So this is a 5378. You can see here I have already mentioned that this is sell level, where our sell level was generated in 5378, and this was a target 1, and this is a target 2. Thank God our target 2, it is not yet crossed it. Upon that, the market slowly it's recovering. This is a Nifty, Bank Nifty index. Okay, next go for Bank Nifty August future. August future sell was generated, and it is 5533. You can see here. I'll just make it a little smaller. Okay, you can see here Nifty August future, and here our sell was generated 5534. Exactly 5534, 33. Here you can see here Nifty, Bank Nifty 533. It is 553. Just 1 point. It's okay. 5533 here. Buy was sell was generated here. Exactly here, or sell was generated, and market was fall up to here. Let's mark it. How many points? Yes, guys, you can see here market fall up to 682 points. You can see here market here was sell was generated in Bank Nifty August future, and market fall up to this much. It is 49,846. It is 49,843 actually, and almost 828 points market fall. Okay, now this is how our breakout strategy works. You can see here we are showing a sell level generated, and this is a target 1, target 2. Okay, guys, we are mentioning here very clearly to make you understand easily. Okay, next let's go from Bank Nifty September. Here sell was generated at 5861. This is 50 September. Let's go for September. As you can see here 5861. Here you can see 5861. Here our sell level was generated. Here our sell level, yeah, you can see here this is our sell level was generated here in a Bank Nifty futures, September future here, and market fall up to 148 almost. Here it is 168. Even you can get here almost 600 points. Exactly 600 points. See how market fall. Just you can see here how previously how market fall down. Yeah, sorry, it's not coming. Oh, yes, here. See, if I'm searching here, what will come? Market is actually here, and see the today's fall of market. Exactly, see the today's fall of market, as though on the 1st of August only I have mentioned you that market will fall like anything. Yes, where is the 1st of August? Here. On this day, on this date only, on 1st of August only, I mentioned you that market will fall. So it fall up to almost, it reached up, it on August high was 52,365 and market fall up to just market fall up to almost 5148. This was a fall on August. Yes, you can see very clearly here. I have mentioned here was sell level was generated here and market fall up to this much. Okay, now next let's see for Bank Nifty put option. Strike prices, Bank Nifty put option strike prices 5900. Today here here buy is generated. Here you can see buy is generated and it is for 706. Yes guys, you can see here 5900 Bank Nifty 5900. Here the buy was generated here where, yes guys, yes you can see here this is 706. Okay, here our buy was generated in the time, in this time, at the time of 10:28, 10:15 something. Here our buy was generated here and market went up to 1,310, almost 1,310. Where is 706 and 1,310? Oh my god, rated. Let's see what our breakout strategy is telling. Here 779. Here you can see here this is a strike price of our Bank Nifty and 779 where the buy was generated. Let's see in the chart, candle chart, and 779 here where exactly where our buy was generated. You can see here exactly where our buy was generated, 779, and it went up to 1398, exactly, almost 600 points, nearby 600 points, 600 to 650 points market went up, and here where our buy was generated and this was our target 1 in the buy strike price 51,000. Yes, 51,000. Yes guys, you can see like this how our breakout strategy will work. This is our beauty of our breakout strategy. This is our beauty of our breakout strategy. This how our breakout strategy will work. I hope you like this video and you enjoyed making profit today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe.
If you want to purchase our software, you can call us on 8553029884, or you can go through our software Excel or GoTrader.in. You can see our website number and name in a description box. Thank you. Have a nice day.